Good morning. Masarap ang tulog ng lahat. Dahil medyo malamig. Ayan si asawa namin. Ang asawa namin. Nandito ang asawa natin. Say hello, asawa namin. Hi, Kalaya. Nandito ang aking unika iha. Nagluluto ng aming breakfast. Tosino. Meron ditong bacon. At saka itlog. Sunny side up. At saka bacon. Meron kaming dala namin ng aming buong kusina. Say kay Joyce. Oh my God na. Hi Neneng. Yung aming tent. Inaano na nila yung aming screen house para daw ma-enjoy namin ang breakfast brunch. Actually, brunch under the sun. Meron kami ditong itlog. Ay, ano to? Sausage. Hamonado. Beef tapa. At saka hotdog. At saka, ano ba to? Oh my God. Where's my word? Longganisa. Meron kaming natakpan na lahat. Kaya tuyo at saka smoked fish. At saka meron kaming tortang talong. This is my favorite. Ensaladang puso ng saging. Susop, katinuno, kakabsat. Umay kayon. Ang aming bangos na inihaw, saka pampano, ang aming steak na beef, at saka chicken legs, boneless chicken legs. Meron kami ditong, what is this lakay? Sinampalukang kambing, at saka Korean soup. Samgya, I don't know how to pronounce. Sorry. And sorry for the rugit. And we have steamed rice. And we are making the fried rice too. You see. Ayan. Ate, asawam ko ma-stress naman nga ang packing yun. At nagtataduron. Yan po. Tikaado na ngamin ti gamit dam. Dala-dala ti buong sambahayan. Yung ang aking apo na babae. Our beautiful girl. Hi, say hi. Ang aking kapatid. Mamang Oti. Say hello, Nak. Say hello, Nak.
It's okay. Just tell him how to
Nak, say hello.
Where's the cover?
Gabi. Huh? Why, Mommy? Mommy is busy in the kitchen. What do you like? Okay, yung mga iba doon, nag-ano na din ng kanilang mga tent at saka yung pinag-anoan namin kagabi na mga screen house din, saka yung mga nag-campfire kami doon. You want me to push you? Where are you going?
Yes, please. No, yeah.
Come here. Yes, please, Mama. Come, I'm gonna push you, Nak.
shake to the right. Gabby, shake to the left and shake to the right. Shake. No.
Itutuloy ko pala yung aking food vlog.
Sige.
Dahil nakalimutan ko pala itong
Lagay mo doon, lagay.
we have barbecue at saka yung belly. Ayun, na inihaw. Meron tayong sausawan, mga kakusina. O, ayan. Made with, vinegar. Sukakin sili lang. Ay, sukakin naganatans. Laso na lang.
No, kalian no. No.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye, Nak. Say bye-bye to my vlog. Bye-bye. Supladita. Ang aking nag-iisang prinsesa. Ang aking apo. Say hi, Nak. And goodbye. Why your skin is so red? Sunburn? From the fishing. Marami din kaming kapitbahay doon. Oh. Ibang lahi. Puerto Rico yata. Kanyamin sa dagita blue mar. Ay, okay. Ha?
Ada space ito.
Ada space. Okay.